In this video, you will learn how to record a macro in Excel 365 so that formatting tasks can be done automatically with just one click in the future. This allows you to save time and ensure consistent formatting across your Excel worksheets. To begin, select the section of your Excel sheet that you want to format. Once selected, go to the View tab in the ribbon and choose Record Macro. This function will allow Excel to track and save all the formatting actions you perform next. Give your macro a name. For example, if you are formatting cell size, use a name that reflects that task. You can also assign a shortcut key such as Ctrl plus a letter to make it easier to apply the macro later. If needed, write a short description to remember what the macro does. Click OK to start recording. K2. Once recording begins, perform the formatting actions you want Excel to remember. For instance, apply bold formatting to text or center, align the content in the selected cells. These actions are now being saved by Excel as part of the macro. Sometimes Excel might display an error depending on what part of the application you are working with. If this happens, check the error message and make the necessary adjustments so the macro still captures what you need. After you finish your formatting tasks, stop the macro recording. At this point, Excel has saved all your steps and the macro is ready for use. Now, whenever you want to apply the same formatting, you can run the macro instead of repeating all the manual steps. This is how to record a macro in Excel 365 and automate your formatting efficiently.